Everybody has the capability to heal themselves. Everybody has the capacity to be their best. And what is the, we'll say, right combination to figure out how to make that person perform at the best? And I think, there's no other system of medicine that can do that besides biological medicine. It's looking at the body and saying, all of these things are working in concert with each other, and the goal is just to make them work better and to make them work correctly. And in order to do that, biological medicine has utilized technology where other, we'll say, facets of alternative medicine, such as naturopathic medicine, or we even say classical Chinese medicine. I mean, they still have their own diagnostics, but they're missing a lot of the technological advances that probably occurred.
The broadest brush we could look at every possible aspect is really biological medicine. That's what separates it from functional medicine or alternative medicine or even naturopathic medicine. I've been in medicine for over 5 decades. Several years ago, I thought it was important that I develop a course where I could train other doctors or other therapists. They don't have to be physicians necessarily, but other people who are interested and who work with people in healthcare. It could be a personal trainer, it could be a massage therapist, anybody who basically interacts with other people in regards to health. The first part is online, which is an overview introduction of sort of biological medicine, the types of tools that we have available to us to help them. We basically teach them about body composition analysis. We show them about the MyFi score, where we can look at 10 different systems in your body. We show them the advantage of doing thermograms and thermography for people. We show people heart rate variability. We show people vital scans. We tell people about EVOX. We tell people about neurofeedback. So we share a whole variety of the types of diagnostics that we do in biological medicine. We actually go over the therapies. We have people experience sound bed. We have people experience a zone. We have people experience pulse electromagnetic fields. We have people experience the different types of therapy so that they know what their patients would be experiencing when they institute these types of things. And at the same time, we're teaching the doctor or the primary person who's talking to them, the science and why we do them, the information, but at the same time, we're teaching their support staff how you actually do it. And so that the doctor doesn't have to physically, do the treatment themselves. There's no course that has ever been offered in this manner, where we're actually teaching everybody within the entire team how to become highly efficient in biological medicine. Many people, obviously, when they come to us as patients, say, why doesn't my doctor talk about this kind of thing? Or where can I find another physician in my area of the country, or the world for that matter? And it doesn't eliminate what they're doing. If they're doing, depending on what they do, if they do standard blood tests, great, we do that too. If they take MRIs and images, we do that too. But it's over and above those types of routine types therapies that we're teaching people how to ultimately do it and why they're important to do and how they're able to facilitate getting patients to a different level of healing. If people just add a heart rate variability and really understand the benefits and what it can do for people, and then maybe they'll add a sound bed to be able to treat people on that particular aspect. Or if they do more physical medicine, maybe they'll find that having a pulse electromagnetic frequency unit would be something that would tremendously benefit. Or they'll have an exercise with oxygen therapy that they can do because they're doing performance with people. So people can mix and match. And in fact, we don't expect people to spend, $500,000 or $500,000 to buy all this equipment, but buying 1 or 2 pieces of equipment tremendously improves the results that people get. And then some people will have the ability to add a few more of these types of things, and they'll add a flow presso for lymphatic treatments, or they'll add a LymphStar for their lymphatics. I think we've covered all the bases, and people can feel really comfortable that they'll be well prepared to make a huge step in their patient care, and they'll find that their patients, whatever the nature of their practice is, and it's suitable for all practices, whether somebody is a dentist or a pediatrician or an oncologist or a massage therapist or a physical trainer.
There are a whole bunch of different multifaceted diseases, and so we need to do things that are a little bit more on an approach of saying, I can go ahead and treat this particular condition on this many levels and I'll get a better result from doing it. And you can combine drugs, and you can combine herbs, and you can combine technology, and you can combine IV therapy, and you can combine body work, but the goal is get the person into the position where they have the best chance of performing or healing. And I think that's what biological medicine by far, that's what attracted me to it, was that it had the most tools to give you the most information and the best treatments to get the best results.